book I have taken, and the lines of the poem, it is here. I hope you are able to see it and read it clearly. I will read one by one and I will give you the explanation of these poems. Before that, I would like to give you uh, I would like to tell you the theme behind this poem. See the theme, the message, the point which the poet Robert Frost wanted to give you, wanted to tell you through this poem, The Road Not Taken. See the title of the poem, The Road Not Taken. The title itself suggests you something, or the title itself trying to tell you the sense, the idea which poet has tried to deliver to us, transfer to you or to us through this poem. What is the theme of the poem? What is the message of the poet? The poet just wanted to tell us a very, very, very important point or fact related every human being life. What is the fact? What is the thing? What is the point? The point is that in everybody life it often happen. It is not a one thing or one day task. A thing or a situation which occurs often in your life, that in your life you get in such situation where you are having 2-3 options and you have to select the best one, or you have to select one out of these 4-5 or more than options which you are having at that moment. And at that moment the decision which you make, that play a very, 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 or you can say very crucial or important role in your life. That decision you take, can make your life better, that can take you at the top of the success, or that can also take you at the bottom of the hell. Your decision can take you to the highest position, or that decision can take you to the lowest or poorest position. So the decision which we make in our life, not at one time, at different places, different time, in different condition, you have to take decision. It is not that, and this is the point the poet wanted to tell you through this poem, that the decision which we take in our life related our career or related some activity which have directly connection with our life, directly that decision directly influences, affect us, our life. So I hope you got the point. What is the theme? What is the message he wanted to deliver? The decision which we take, we must take carefully, related our career or related our life. Otherwise the decision which we take that moment can turn your life from good to worse, or can also turn your life from worse to the best. So it is you who is responsible for the each and every decision taken in your life for doing something. If you are taking decision proper way, if you are taking decision correctly, or if you are choosing the option which you are getting in your life for doing some work, for doing some action, or for making your career, if you are taking it correctly, if you are selecting it correctly, you will definitely get success in your life. And after that, at the end of, when you pass a long period of life, when after selection, when you pass 40-50 year, and when you reach to the old age of your life, or when you become aged, and that moment when you look behind, you will find that decision which you had made 30-40-50 years before, that was correct, and that brought you to this level, to this position on which you are today. Or the opposite condition can also happen. What is the opposite condition? The opposite condition is that you will pass, after taking decision, you have passed your 50 year of your life, and when you reached by 60, when you become 70-year-old, 60-year-old, or 80 or 100-year-old, when you look behind, you will find that you will remember that day when you had taken a wrong decision, and that decision has spoiled your life, your career completely, and that decision turned your future, turn your life from good, because your past was good. You are seeing that your past was better than your present. It means the decision which you had taken in the past was not good. was not taken correctly by you, and that's why you reach to the poverty, you reach to the a critical condition. So the theme is that, the message is that the poet which wanted to deliver us through this poem, the decision should be taken carefully, because the decision we take that play very 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 important or crucial role in our life. I hope this much clear. I'm just telling you the message, the theme. Now I'm going to read line by lines and to give you the explanation. See what is written here. I am going to read it. See here. This is a well-known poem. Poem is about making choice. I told you this is a poem, very famous poem of Robert Frost, which give us motivation, which give us an advice that our decision is ours, and the result which we get after that decision, that will be also ours, and that will also affect our career, our future, our life. See, and the choice that shape us means that make our career, our life. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experience. And Robert Frost, the poet, he belongs from America. He is an American poet and who writes the reality, the fact related life. And this is not related to only one person, rich person, poor person. It is related to everyone. If a rich person will take wrong decision, definitely will turn to poor, and if a poor person will take correct decision, right decision at right time, at right place, then definitely he will reach to the top, become richest or become millionaire. So decisions plays very very important role. This is the point the poet wanted to deliver. See first the line, two roads diverge in the yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the underbent. See the poet in the first 5 lines, the poet is telling the condition when he was, or when a common man reached. See this each and every line is representing every man, and this is the word, this is the idea, this is the condition just spoken by the poet, but actually this poem, each and every line applied on each and every individual. So two roads diverge in a yellow wood. Here yellow wood represent the life, a big expansion of your life, big period of your life, and road represent to diverge movement, to diverge path on which you are standing, and you have to take the decision. Two roads diverge in yellow woods, and sorry I could not travel both. Definitely it is a fact that a person cannot travel on two roads. Here roads are representing the choice, the path on which you have to travel. So writer was alone and everybody is alone. When you are have to take decision, it is you who have to take. So you are one, you are having two options, so you have to select one. So here two roads are representing the option which we are having, and yellow roads represent the spell, the huge expansion period of your life. And sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood. So poet is telling, I also reached to such condition where I have to select one, and being one I have two options, so I could not select both. So he stood there. It is a common thing, when you have choice you think over. For example, when you are going to purchase a cloth, what you do, you are having two shirts, one you are having blue, one you are having white. You think about that which you have to take. You take a second, you check the cloth of the shirt, and then you take that which one is good and according to price, and finally you take. Suppose the shirt you have taken, it is a 500 rupees. When you reach to the home, you find that the cloth was not good, because at that moment you have not checked the cloth, the quality of the cloth, and when you reach at home you find that the shirt is not value up. It charged you, it cost you very much, because the cloth of the shirt is not good, it is cheaper quality. So the decision you made in purchasing shirt, it was your, and so you got mistaken, and now you cannot exchange it, now you cannot change it. You don't have exchange option. Actually in a shop you are having exchange option, but in what? But in life they don't give exchange option. You cannot exchange, you cannot change. Clear? And if you start changing, you will definitely going to ruin your life and career as well. So you have to stick to the one goal, one target, one ambition which you have. So travel long I stood and looked down on one as far as I could. So he stood there when he got these two road means the time situation in which he have to take such decision. He stood and thought ever, and where it bent in the underbent. He thought that where this path could go, because you cannot tell that where one road is going. The road means the idea which you are having. Suppose you are going to take a decision, you are having two options, okay, and you have to select one only. Do you know what will happen after that? Nobody knows. Yes, you can analyze that this decision, if I do this, this could happen, but sometimes it happens different also. So writer stood to think over which he should follow. See, then took the other and just as fair, and after thinking over he followed one of the path just a fair, having perhaps the better claim. And when he started following one choice, one path, he thought, it is a common thing, everybody think that your choice or my choice is correct. We have a positive expectation from our selection, our choice which we take in our decision if you are doing anything. So he hopes that this will have a better claim. Better claim here means will give a better opportunity to the career or to the life of the poet. Next, see, because it was grassy and wanted wear, and he followed this because there was a region, the road which the path he has followed that was grassy and wanted wear. Grassy means, here grassy refers to grass, but actually it means the path the road which he followed or the career he wanted to follow in his life. He noted that it has been used by less, because the road which we don't use, that is become grassy. Grass started germinating on that. So writer selected that career, that choice which was less used by other. And though as far as that passing there had warned them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay. Now again he is repeating that on that morning when he had made the decision, both road of choice it was in front of him, lying parallel, and in leaps no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. And what he did, he followed the path which was not chosen by anyone, or which was less used, less followed it, and he left another path for another day. Means he thought that I will go, if I get chance then I will travel on the second one also, but he could never. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way will lead on to the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Simple thing, if you are following one path or you are following one career, do you know that you come back? That life will give you chance to come back and do the other works or follow the other career? Option no. So, or if you have taken wrong decision, life will not give you chance to come back and take the another chance and start another chance and follow the another career. Fine, because when you start, you will select your option, you will select a correct choice of your life, and you start doing that. Then what will happen? Then you will go on that, and a long period of your life will pass by walking on that. So he left another chance, but see, I doubt if I should ever come back. And poet knew this point, that he knew this point, that I could never able to come back and go for the other path. I shall be telling this with a sigh. And now he is telling you with this sigh. Sigh means a relief. Sigh means a relief, breath of relief, that somewhere ages hence. Now he is telling, I am telling you my own experience which I have, and the thing which had happened with me long before, ages before. Two roads diverge in the wood. Two roads diverge means the decision, the choice of his life would here represent the big period of life in which you have to take decision, and I took the one less traveled. What he's saying, I got chance in my life to take decision, and I have two options, and I have selected one, the best one, and on account of that I reached there. and after a long period passing of years, I am telling you my story, how my thing, how it happened. I took the one less stable, and which he took the less stable, the path, the route, the thing which was not done by everyone, that he selected. He had not selected a common path, or he had not selected a common choice. He took that option, that choice which was less used by others, and that has made all the difference, and that has brought a great change in his life, and which had made him a great poet and writer, and which have given him a great career as well. I hope, dear students, you have got the point. See the theme, the poem. Through the poem, the poet only want to narrate you that you tell you the decision you make, that is yours, and if your decision is correct, you get success, the credit goes to you, and if you fail, if your decision was wrong, and if you are fail by that, you get failure in your life by that decision. So that decision and that failure is also yours, and it is you and you only responsible. So you have to take each and every decision of your life related to your career very, very, very carefully. I hope, dear students, you got the point very clearly, and the poem is also clear to you. So the poem is also clear to you. So that's all in the poem. See you in my next video. Till then, keep watching and good luck.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले